What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So this one, probably a short one. I just kind of want to put this out there that this is a 2023 bike, and this has been happening to KTM 690s since 2008. Because I had a 2008 690 SMC, and this same problem happened to it. So what happens is the kickstand. I think this happens to the 701s as well. It's the same bike. So this is the kickstand module. It's connected down there on the bike. I already disconnected it or unscrewed it. And there's a piece, this piece here, which is a magnet actually, that is on your kickstand. I disconnected it. My bike is acting up. So it's not starting when, it's not gonna start basically when the kickstand is up. Even though the kickstand is up and I put it in gear, the bike shuts off. So it just thinks that the kickstand is still down. That's been a problem since the 2008 bike, and it's still a problem now. So there's a free fix, So if you want to do the free fix, is you can just unscrew it, and then see, I'm doing this one-handed. You can kind of like that. You see that? You see how it's magnetized, that it's attracted to it. So this way right here is the one that solves the problem. So just leave it like that. That's the free fix. You can tape it like that. We're gonna test it in a little bit and see if it starts. But this is basically what the computer is looking for. Is it needs this contact to let you start your bike. So this is the free fix. If you want to pay a little bit, you can get some resistor wires. You know, kind of jump the cable. I don't know how to do. I don't know which one. There's only 3 cables in here. You can, you know, if you know the electronics of this bike, you can kind of just jump it. Make it look like, make it think it's, that it's up or whatever. Or you can buy the fancy module from Banash, which is Rottweiler Performance. They're selling that too, which is like $80. That's like, the most expensive option. If you want it to be all legit looking and everything, you can do that route. So we're gonna try it out now. This is so silly. Imagine if you're out in the trail, on your Enduro or 690 off-roading or whatever, or on a track. If I was on track already with this, I'm 1 week out from track day. And good thing I checked my bike. So we're gonna test this out now. I'm gonna put it up here so it doesn't get burned by the exhaust. It's not touching. Okay, so yeah, it's just so annoying. Good thing I checked my bike. Put it on the, let's put it on the tripod here. See if it'll start. So right now I'm in gear, so it's not the green is not in neutral. I'm in gear. I guess I need to stand next to it. Let me see if I can get you guys a view from this side. So I need to hold the clutch in and stand the bike up. So now I'm in gear. Technically I'm in gear. As you can see, it starts. What I'm gonna do right now, while I'm waiting for the part from Rottweiler, because I did order the fancy one, because that's just, I kind of want it to look good, so I want it to look legit. Like I said, you can do it for free, just doing it this way. So I think this is a helpful video for those people out there with 690s. I've had a lot of experience with 690s. My 701 didn't break, maybe because I didn't own it long enough, but I put more miles on that one than this one. I've owned this longer, like in terms of months. I mean, but I put more miles on my 701 and nothing happened. So I don't know. I guess you just kind of you just get lucky. But my 2008 SMC the KTMs, they had this problem. So hopefully this video helps you out. If there's anything else that if you have any questions about it, let me know. But it's pretty straightforward. So all you have to do is disconnect it from both sides. It's down here, and then trace the wire up to this connector here, and then work on it with that. And that seriously, on the trail, this is gonna suck. So, all right. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.